255,000 pesos lang to guys. Stay transfer ready. I got you ulit. Ito na yata yung pinakamurang FD na mabibili nyo ngayon sa market na very intact yung interior at yung exterior. At pagdating naman sa wheels, meron kang 15 inches alloy wheels na yung tires hindi naman ganun kakapal. At dito naman sa harap, meron kang LED headlamps, fog lamps at chrome grille. Pagdating sa engine, meron kang 1.8 liter 4-cylinder automatic transmission gasoline engine na very healthy at all original and intact pa lahat. At syempre, paparinig ko sa inyo kung gaano kapino yung engine nito. At dito sa likod, all original taillight as sa trunk, decent amount of space. At dito sa interior, very intact pa lahat. Meron kang intact na headliner, intact na fabric seats, intact na steering wheel, analog and digital display with 100,000 kilometers on the clock only, traditional infotainment system, automatic transmission, at check nyo yung upuan sa likod. Parang hindi pa halos nauupuan. Gusto mo ng peace of mind? Pag may accident history, flood history, tampered yung mileage or problem sa papers, lifetime money back guarantee tayo. Dito lang yan sa atin for only 255,000 pesos lang. Peace out!